I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms, from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis, and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade, stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Hi, Alex here with AI Vision earnings calls and forecast for investors in the markets. Today we are going to talk about IPOs. So if your question is whether you can invest in a company without any past history whatsoever, and you can do it with an accuracy very close to 100%, even 100%, the answer to that question is yes. We have been publishing more than 65,000 case studies on how to invest in the markets, including IPOs, precisely demonstrating it live on the tape. So in 2020, people, they had different IPOs, one of them a very complex one, the case of Snowflake. And you find precisely here several IPOs. You just have to search here on categories, and utilizing this very powerful platform. And I'm going to click here and to show you the case of Snowflake, okay? So by clicking here on Snowflake, you'll find two videos, all right? So I'm going to close this. You have here the category IPO, and you have here instructions since IPO on how to profit from a Snowflake, a complete study, okay? As well as then the follow-up investment process. Every time it is necessary to be there, the most difficult moments, or providing further instructions, we are there in real time. So what does it mean, these two investors? Firstly, Snowflake became one of the most demanded forecasts in 2020. Professionals in Wall Street, all over the world, they purchased this. Secondly, we had people buying this forecast, making over $100,000 in one single day. I'm going to repeat, over $100,000 in one single day, okay? In a company where most people, most investors, traders, they lose actually money, okay? So you have it here. The most recent one, it is precisely the one that I'm going to show you here. You have it here. Snowflake, this is the most recent one. The date, the outlook, whether it is for the midterm, whether it is live, the notes, the description, the length, okay? Includes instructions for upcoming earnings as well as a complete study. And again, I repeat that you have always our guarantee of multi-million-dollar profits, 100% accuracy, since IPO, regardless of whether you have past history as a reference. We have been doing so in companies, for example, the case of NEO, you also find it here. You just have to click here and you find NEO, a company where everyone missed, failed, as well as the case of Tesla, or the case of BlackBerry former recession in motion, GoPro, every single one, Google, Facebook, all of them, Twitter. We have been here since IPO in all these companies since 1989. Thank you.